Hey guys, my name is Darkwater Killer, and today I'll be finishing up the custom potions data pack that we started in the last episode. In this part, I'll be covering checking for a thrown potion and creating a custom potion effect. I've already got the workspace pulled up in VS Code and ready to go, so let's jump right into it. The first thing we want to do is check for when a custom potion is thrown and when it hits the ground. The method I'll be using utilizes area effect clouds with custom tags to see when the potion collides with a block. To start, go to the tick function and add another line that says function. In my case, I'm using the namespace CP, check lightning collision. And go ahead and make a new function with that name. So, new file, check lightning collision.mc function. Next, we just need to add the following lines to check to see if the potion has collided with anything. So we are going to execute as all entities with the type of potion, and we're going to make sure that that potion has the NBT data of tag display lore name and inside this name we're going to open and close brackets. We're going to say text, and we're going to check for the text of lightning bottle. Okay, that is the entity selector, and we're going to run this at that selected entity. We're just going to run summon Minecraft area effect cloud at that location. And this area effect cloud is going to have the following NBT data. So it's going to say radius. We're going to give it a radius of 1/10 of a block. Duration. We're going to give it a duration of 2 ticks. We're going to say radius per tick is 0. And we're going to set its particle to a firework particle. We're also going to give it the following tag of lightning check. And let me just see. Oh, okay, I see. I forgot to add the colon right there. Okay, and it's going to have that tag of lightning check. And then on the next line, execute as all entities of type Minecraft area effect cloud with the tag lightning check. And we're going to execute at the position of that entity unless entity is of type potion in a distance of 0 to 2 blocks. And we're just going to run function CP lightning effect. What these lines are doing is every tick it checks for any custom potions with the name Lightning Bottle and the lore Zap that have been thrown, and summons an area effect cloud that lasts for about 2 ticks with a radius of 1/10 of a block. These summoned clouds also have the tag lightning check given to them when they are summoned, and that's used in the next line, which checks each tick to see if there's a potion within 2 blocks of the cloud, and when the potion collides with something, the last summoned area effect cloud will persist for at least 1 more tick after that, and because of that, the second function will be able to run the function that we gave here, because the tick after the potion collides with a block or an entity, the area effect cloud that was last summoned will still persist and will be able to run the function because the potion is gone and there's no potion within 2 blocks. And with that, we'll create our last function called lightning effect.mc function, and all that needs to go into this function is summon a lightning bolt at the position of that area effect cloud, and we're just going to make that area effect cloud kill itself. And all we're doing is summoning a lightning bolt at the position of that last area effect cloud, and then immediately killing that cloud, so only 1 lightning bolt is summoned. Now we can load into the world for this pack and test it out. So I'll just go ahead and reload just in case, and wait for that message. And as you can see, it finished loading rather quickly because there's not too much in this data pack. And I'm just going to craft another potion to make sure that the work we did in the last episode still works. So I'm just going to grab a couple of these. Okay, and just... Okay, and we still get a lightning bottle. So that still works from the last episode. And now that we have a lightning potion, we can test it out just by tossing it. Just like that, lightning strikes wherever the potion lands. And I'll show you again. Now, these custom effects aren't limited to just summon commands. What's great about this method is that it is able to run almost any command or function that you can think of and code into Minecraft. That's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this series or found it helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave it in the comments or consider joining the channel's Discord server and ask me there. Once again, my name is Darkwater Killer, and I hope you have an amazing day.